Welcome back everyone. In this video I want to show you the trending effect which was made for Ed Sheeran's new album called Overpass Graffiti on TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this is a new trending effect on TikTok and everyone is creating a video using this effect. So let me show you how to find it and create videos using this effect. Open up your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover tab. Search for Overpass Graffiti. It should appear under Effects and look like this. Tap on it and browse through the videos made by other users. If you don't see this filter in your search results, then it means it's still not available for your country. Check back later as TikTok is slowly rolling it out to everyone. Once you're ready, tap on Try this effect. Ed Sheeran's new music should be automatically added into the video, so you don't need to worry about that. You should see your screen dim and your face covered with bright yellow graffiti. Go ahead and tap on Record button and create your video. And that is the new trending effect called Overpass Graffiti on TikTok. Hope you found this useful. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.